Hello mga Beshi Wops! Happy New Year everyone! At dahil another year, another day, another gala na naman with my family. And for today's video, let's explore the beauty of Tagaytay City and we are here at Hotel Casiana. You can just easily find them sa Google Maps or Waze and voila! Andito ka na kagad for a very good staycation. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami sa quick room tour and nasa second level nga pala yung room na nakuha namin. And at, wow! Sobrang spacious ng rooms dito guys. And Team Kahoy, yung vibes niya, sobrang cozy ng dating. Makikita mo kagad may complete coffee and tea sila. Mainitan din ng water para sa gusto magkape at more nudes. 2 single bed ito for 2 packs pero kasya ang 4 na tao. 2 adults and 2 kids. Free na ang kids that as long as you are going to use the existing beddings. May small table na ako nakita and share. Ayan. So, yeah. So, let's check the balcony. I think this is the balcony area, guys. Okay. Oo nga. So, this is the balcony area. And napaka-spacious na niya. From here, nakikita ko na kagad na sobrang spacious niya.
Oh, no!
Okay, mahirap siya buksan. So, let's check again. Pagpasok mo ng pinto, eto kagad yung bubungan sa'yo. Napakaganda, napakaluwag. At hindi pa natin nabubuksan ang balcony. Let's check the restroom. Okay, so eto na nga pala ang CR nila. And wow! Okay, naka-Japan style na rin sila na CR. And may trash can dyan, may pa-tissue. Ayan, and upon check-in guys, sobrang laki rin ng room and for the CR and meron na rin silang mga complete amenities like towels, meron na rin silang shampoo, body wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap. Ayan, so Japan style automatic, ito yung control ng bowl mo. You can just easily control it dun sa controller since it's an automatic bowl. Ayan, so labas na tayo. Ito yung makikita mo paglabas. Meron ditong closet. At may hangers din if you wish to hang your clothes. And then, ayan, para sa mga coffee lover, dito merong area for your luggages. And may malaking TV, may pa-Netflix din yan sila. Ayun, at kumakain na si Ella. Ayun. So, ayan. Meron nga pala silang side tables and maraming socket dito, guys. Para sa yung pag-charge ng mga gadgets mo. Okay, let's check na here. Ito yung balcony area. Diba, ang luwag niya. And that's the view from our room. So, may view rin sa mga poolside. But dito kami napunta. And yeah, may dalawang chairs and table where you can have your coffee in the morning. And chikahan kayo mag-asawa. Ayan. Di ba napakalaki ng rooms? May complimentary na rin na sleepers. Kasi medyo malamig ang weather dito sa Tagaytay lagi. So, check ulit natin yung coffee and tea. Meron rin silang fridge. So, you can store your food and your drinks. Wala nga palang corkage dito guys. So, you can just buy outside if medyo vegetarian ka para hindi ka mapamahal. Meron rin silang restaurant sa baba. Pwede ka bumaba, may cafe din doon. And yeah, ito ang best part kasi while you're on staycation, you can definitely work and also pwede rin magkape dyan. Kape-kape muna kayo ni Mr. Well, naglalaro at nagtatalon-talon sa kama si Ella. Okay, and now here's the hotel lobby. So this is where you check in. Napakaganda rin. Cozy, high ceiling. Well-lighted siya. So, may Christmas tree pa dyan kasi katatapos lang ng Christmas. And, ayan, may magandang ceiling din na kulay red. And from the entrance, go straight lang tayo, guys. Hanggang sa dulo. counter where you can get your bath towels. Meron din dong foods and drinks that you can order. Meron din ditong sopa where you can just stay, chill by the poolside. Ayan na yung pool area. May kiddie pool. And nga pala guys, not to mention, this is one of a few hotels na merong heated pool here in Tagaytay. Perfect na perfect ito sa weather dito na kahit malamig or maginaw is hindi kayo masyadong mag-aalangan mag-swimming kasi heated yung pool nila. So, ayan. Ayaw niya ng paawat. That's it for now, guys.